Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Betterment Notifications, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand and effectively use the notification system. To get started, it is essential to have a basic understanding of what Betterment is. A popular online financial advisor that helps individuals manage their investments and achieve their financial goals. The first step is to set up your Betterment account and navigate to the notification settings. Here, you can customize the types of notifications you receive, including account updates, investment notifications, and tax-related notifications. It is crucial to choose the notifications that are most relevant to your financial goals and investment strategy. One of the key concepts to understand is the different types of notifications available. For example, you can receive notifications when your account balance reaches a certain threshold, or when a deposit or withdrawal is made. You can also set up notifications for investment portfolio changes, such as when a new investment is added or when a portfolio rebalancing occurs. To illustrate this concept, let's consider a practical example. Suppose you have set up a notification to alert you when your account balance falls below a certain threshold. When this happens, you will receive an email or in-app notification, depending on your preferred notification method, alerting you to take action to replenish your account. Best practices for using Betterment notifications include regularly reviewing and updating your notification settings to ensure they remain relevant to your financial goals. It is also essential to keep your contact information up to date, including your email address and phone number, to ensure you receive timely notifications. In conclusion, Betterment notifications are a powerful tool that can help you stay on top of your investments and achieve your financial goals. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can effectively use the notification system to your advantage. Remember to stay informed, stay in control, and make the most of your Betterment account by leveraging the notification system.